Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, March 18th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way with my team and family. I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida's Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that I need to remind you about. Remember, for scholars that are going to be in 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade next year, 3rd, 4th, 4th, 5th, or 6th grade next year, please make sure and look at Dojo if you're interested in being a cheerleader, because your parents need to attend a meeting tonight at 6:30 virtually on Zoom. So this is not at the school. It's on Zoom virtually, and your parents need to attend if you want to be on our tryout for our cheerleading squad. Also, next Thursday we have our first drive-through International Food Festival. So make sure that you are ready for that. All right, scholars. I know how hard you've been working, and I know that you are doing lots and lots of great things, such as writing stories, reading books, talking about novels, doing your math facts. Keep up all the hard work. You guys are doing an amazing job. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!